Hello everyone, my name is Sami from ERP Hub. Today I'll be going over the product Zoho Marketing Automation. I'll go over what the application is all about, talk about the key features, and briefly walk you through each of the modules within the application. Let's get started. Zoho Marketing Automation is an automation platform that helps attract visitors to your website, turn anonymous visitors into leads, and convert leads into loyal customers. Marketers today use multiple platforms to do all of that. However, with this product, you only need to use one platform for all your marketing needs. Zoho Marketing Automation can help in every step of the way with features like Smart Pop-ups, Journey Builder, and ROI Planner, among many others. You can also organize events, promote webinars, send surveys, set up drip nurturing, and run social, email, and SMS campaigns. All of this just using one software. There are many key features on this application that allow you to bring your sales and marketing closer. Lead management helps you to attract leads, nurture them in the best possible way, evaluate their sales readiness, and hand over the best customers to your sales team. Another key feature is behavioral targeting. Understanding lead behavior goes a long way in helping you deliver the most effective messages. With this application, track leads from your email campaigns to your websites to see how they engage with your web pages. This will allow you to gain insights on your leads' interests so you can give them the best possible service. Next, you don't want to limit your leads by allowing them to come from only one place. With Zoho Marketing Automation, you can reach out to your leads through a variety of different channels, giving them the freedom to choose how they want to connect with you. Plus, all of your lead data is stored in one place, so you can conveniently follow up with your leads anytime or any way you like. Lastly, this application has a Journey Builder feature. With this builder, you can create a unique engagement plan for every lead, nurture them the right way from the beginning, and give them every reason to choose you. With this feature, convert your marketing plan into a personalized journey. Control what triggers the program, when messages should be sent, and even how a lead should be removed from the journey. This engagement program is designed to help foster strong customer relationships. Now I will be walking you through the application and talking about each of the modules within briefly. When you first gain access to Zoho Marketing Automation, you will be taken to the dashboard page. This is where you can find everything that you need, including where you are in your journey, how many leads you have, and how many journeys you have as well. On the lead generation, this is where you can create your forms, lead sources for your marketing automation. Under the Web Assistant tab, you are able to create the code to put it onto your website, and also there are different ways of tracking individuals for that. The Journeys tab is where you can create lead journeys for our contacts. This is where you can push them through a journey and follow through with the different steps as it goes along. If you're doing a lead nurturing campaign, as soon as someone comes into your business, they get the first email. You are then able to track whether they have opened, clicked, or not opened the email at all. On the Leads tab is where you can keep track of all the contacts, whether it's from the CRM or whether you're adding them manually into the system. This is where you'll go to create different segments, topics, or products. Under the Engagement tab, there are tons of different types of engagement that you can create, including surveys, events, webinars, e-commerce. This is where you want to go when you want to create an email newsletter or any type of newsletter you want to send to your contacts. The qualification funnel is where you can add more information about your contacts and leads to make sure that we're selecting the best leads. You can add different lead scoring techniques, add stages and insights to those leads so it continues to track them as they are taking place. The Planner tab is where you can create different reports, and you can also create your monthly or weekly plans so you can collaborate with your team and make sure your contacts and leads are continually being nurtured by you constantly sending information to them. And lastly, the Library tab is where you can upload images, templates, and attachments to use for your content. That was a brief summary of all the modules within this application. For more information and insights on Zoho, please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.